Hello, and welcome to Look Back, Look Ahead. I'm Frank Calderone. Last week, ending August 7th, the major indexes advanced for the week as oil prices moved lower, giving investors optimism that a deal in the Middle East could soon be reached. Manufacturing data came in stronger than expected and marked the seventh consecutive month of expansion. Construction spending was weaker than expected by 0.1% in June, 3.2% year over year. The June trade deficit was higher than expected but down from May's number. The deficit was $73.3 billion, down from $77.6 billion in May. Job openings were in line with expectations in June, but slightly lower than in May. Healthcare saw the largest decline in jobs. And the employment report was much weaker than expected in July, declining by 23,000 jobs. The private sector added 30,000 new jobs, but government jobs declined by 53,000. The unemployment rate fell to 4.1% from 4.2% last month, while the labor participation rate fell to its lowest level in more than 5 years. Year to date, the Dow is up 12.4%, the S&P is up 13.3%, and the Nasdaq is up 14.4%. The yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury bond is 4.64%. Oil closed at $76.87 a barrel. Gold closed at $4,343.61 an ounce, with silver closing at $63.62 an ounce. For this week of August 10th, nothing scheduled for Monday. Tuesday, we'll get the Small Business Optimism Index and existing home sales. Wednesday, the Consumer Price Index will be reported. CPI measures the average change over time of the prices paid by consumers for a basket of goods and services. Core CPI excludes food and energy. Thursday, we'll get weekly jobless claims and the Producer Price Index, or PPI. PPI measures the change over time in the prices received by producers for their goods and services. It is a measure of inflation on the wholesale level. And on Friday, retail sales will be reported. And as always, we'll keep a watchful eye on these and any other events that may and will shape the markets. If you have any questions or anything you've heard in this video, please give us a call. Also, call us to schedule a Zoom consultation to explore how our services may be of benefit to you. This is Frank Calderone from Raymond James in New York. Have a fantastic week. Be well, stay safe, and remember, always look ahead.